Hello dear fans. How to identify a stainless steel. Stainless steel, or Sakai, as it is sometimes called, has the qualities inherent only in this type of steel. It is possible to distinguish it from its brethren by subjecting it to some tests. This can be done by placing the steel in a saline solution. You can resort to more sophisticated methods using physical calculations. It is necessary: magnet, table salt, water, file, emery, copper sulfate, a glass of water, spectrograph. Instructions. Step 1. The most common way to identify a stainless steel is to assess how it interacts with a magnet. The composition of stainless steel allows it to magnet only under the influence of Foucault currents. In normal conditions, stainless steel is indifferent to the magnetic field. Step 2. Since, as the name suggests, stainless steel is resistant to rust, it is necessary to check it from this point of view. It is necessary to make a concentrated solution of sodium chloride in water. Then place a steel product in it. On the next day, you can evaluate the result. The stainless steel product will not rust. Step 3. To check the authenticity of stainless steel, you can use a file. This tool should be passed across the cut of the product several times. If yellowness appears on the grinded surface, then it is brass. Step 4. There is one more way to check. It is necessary to remove the layer from the surface of the metal product using emery. Then apply copper sulfate to the cleaned surface. If the product is made of stainless steel, the color will not change. Any other metal will change color. Step 5. If a product, presumably made of stainless steel, has served for a long time, it is possible to determine whether it is a Sakai salmon by its appearance. Peeling and tearing of the outer coating of the product. Products made from such material, as a rule, retain their original presentable appearance for a long time. Step 6. In addition, traces of processing are visible on stainless steel products. In order to distinguish them, you need a microscope. The higher the magnification, the more noticeable the traces. Step 7. Knowledge of physical laws should be used to finally be sure that the product is stainless steel. One of them reads, a body placed in a glass pushes out water according to what it was made of. It is necessary to place a steel part in the glass. Then, knowing how much the product itself weighs, calculate the mass of water poured out of the glass. After that, it is necessary to compare the data with the tabular data for stainless steel. The result will be the answer to the question about the material from which the product is made. Thanks for watching.